Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Remitly account to send money anywhere around the world. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store. Simply tap on the search bar right over here. And once you've done that, simply search for Remitly just like that. Once you've done that, all you need to do is tap on this application right over here. Simply click on download and install. And once you've done that, tap on the open button to go ahead and open the application. Now, in order for you to go ahead and create a profile, just click on create a new profile and simply go ahead and select your country to country. And once you've done that, click on next. And finally, once you've done that, it's going to ask you to go ahead and create a username and a password and enter your email, and that is it. It's going to go ahead and make your account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on